Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stake on the Binance app. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Binance app. And then once you're in here, what you'll do is just go ahead over to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now in here under shortcuts, we have earn. If you can't find it, well, just go ahead and scroll down a bit, tap on more services. And in here we have simple earn. Okay. Also, when you go to scroll down a bit, we have these tabs. You can just tap on earn. Okay. You have earn here as well. Okay. So let's go ahead and scroll down a bit and tap on simple earn. Tap on it. Now in here, what you're going to do is just go ahead and select the asset. And by the way, you have your flexible, locked, and even trending. So locked versus flexible, you may ask. So locked right here, or locked staking generally offers higher APR but locks up funds, whereas flexible option allow immediate but often lower yield access. So go ahead and decide whatever you wanted to use right here. Now, just go ahead and select the product or coin. For example, you wanted Dusk, okay, or BTC, which got a bonus right here. Tap on it. Now basically enter the amount you wish to stake. Okay, for example, you wanted to stake all of your Bitcoin, okay? And the amount cannot be lower than this amount right here. So if you have this amount, you can go ahead and go to summary right here, review the terms, and just click on confirm. Okay, and after that, your rewards will be automatically credited to your spot wallet daily, often starting a day or two after subscription. And if you want to, you can go ahead and hit on auto subscribe here as well. So for example, you select here Ethereum. Okay, so for Ethereum, you will receive WBETH or WB Ethereum as a staked asset. And for Sol, you will receive BN Sol. Okay. Well, this option right here, or the simple earn or even staking option, while it's safe, okay, staking is subject to market price fluctuation and variable APR rates. So just do keep that in mind. And that's just basically it. That is how you stake on the Binance app. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.